I decided I'm just gonna do back-to-back videos today because I don't want to record another day and edit another day. So we're recording. It's still Friday, July 5th. I've got today off of work, so I'm doing a ton of stuff for pairs, and wife is out of town today, so I've got loads of time to myself. But the other update that I needed to give after last video was Bubble reached out to me, and I can possibly be alpha testing the mobile development platform, which is going to be really, really cool. I think I was persistent enough messaging people on LinkedIn who worked at Bubble that somebody realized, make this guy shut up, and like, we don't want him to talk to us anymore. So they just handed me off to somebody else. But I got an email and they said, hey, um, you know, we'd love your feedback and like what kind of features you want on the platform. I told them that cropping images and saving them in a certain aspect ratio was like number one for me. Um, and then maybe a week later, they reached out and said it was initially going to be like they launched the mobile platform maybe like late fall or like early fall, no longer summer of 2024. Um, but they said they're going to do alpha testing for a small group of users, and they wanted to have alpha users like test the platform, give them some feedback, but mainly have apps published by September of 2024, because in October Bubble has their developer conference, and I think last year in 2023 that's when they announced the mobile platform, and they said it was going to be in summer of 24. Um, I don't think they're going to hit that, but they want to show something in October of 24, and they'll probably show, you know, we've had people testing this, and we even have some apps on the App Store made from Bubble's mobile platform, and I think they want to make that update. That's what I would do. I think that's what they're doing. So I'm lucky enough to hopefully be in the alpha test. They said July, and it's July 5th. I've been on kind of pins and needles waiting because I can't get my hands on this thing fast enough. But that is one of the reasons why I'm rebuilding this app for like the fourth or fifth time, because I want to make sure I have the look and the feel of the app down. I needed to clean up the back end a ton from my version 3. So that's what I'm focusing on right now. I'm building it with the current mobile web app builder, so just normal Bubble, and I'm building it and just testing it on my phone. Um, and so far, it's been pretty good. I think I know how things should be um, set up and how they should be designed. It's probably going to change a little bit when we go to mobile, because designing on the web for mobile and designing with the mobile platform will probably be a little bit different. But I was messing around a month or two ago in Flutterflow, and so I think Bubble's mobile platform will be similar to Flutterflow. I think it's going to be somewhat similar, where you create a page, you create navigations between the pages, and then everything else should be like normal Bubble. You're going to create, the UI with containers and text and icons and whatever. Um, and it should handle backend stuff exactly the same based on what Bubble has told us so far. So, uh, yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited to try the mobile thing. I'd love to have my app be on the App Store by September, not only because that pushes it up for me sooner, but Bubble might show at the developer conference, even if we just have a little logo and it floats across a slide where they say, here's all the apps that are on the App Store. And if Pairs is one of those apps, I'd be happy. Um, but mostly, I'm excited to be working on it with the actual native mobile development platform, because that's in my brain. That's how it's had to be the entire time. Um, so yeah, that's the most recent update. Might get to alpha test Bubble's thing, which is pretty cool. In the meantime, we're just cruising. We're just cruising. A lot of work to be done, so back on the grind. Thanks for watching, though. We'll see you guys in the next video.